In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Pipedrive with WhatsApp in just a few minutes. Whether you're a seasoned sales professional looking for an effective way to streamline your customer interactions, or someone new to these platforms, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. So, let's dive in. To start, open up your web browser and navigate to the Pipedrive website. Pipedrive is a powerful sales CRM and pipeline management software that helps you keep track of your contacts and sales processes efficiently. Once there, locate and click on the Login button. If you're already a Pipedrive user, simply enter your credentials as you normally would to access the homepage. If you haven't signed up yet, you should register and log in to continue with this integration. Once you're on the Pipedrive homepage, you'll want to look towards the top right corner or side panel for a three-dot icon, often referred to as the More or Settings menu. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu that provides additional options for customization and integration. In the drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled Marketplace. This is where all integrations and add-ons reside, allowing Pipedrive users to expand their software's capabilities with third-party applications. Click on Marketplace, and a new page will load, showcasing various apps and tools available for immediate integration with your Pipedrive account. Now, you'll need to find WhatsApp in this marketplace. There's a handy search bar at the top of the page, which makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Type in WhatsApp and press Enter. The search results will show extensions and apps that allow integration with WhatsApp. Once you've found WhatsApp in the list of results, click on it. This action will prompt a page to load with all the necessary information about the integration. Here, you'll see details of what the app does, user reviews, and other relevant specifications. Review these details to ensure it fits your needs, and when you're ready, choose the Install or Add option. By following these steps, you've now successfully integrated WhatsApp with your Pipedrive account. This integration enables you to streamline communications with your customers directly from your CRM, enhancing your workflow and productivity. Enjoy the seamless experience of managing your sales and customer interactions more effectively. I hope this guide was straightforward and helpful. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video where we delve deeper into optimizing your CRM systems. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave your comments below, and I'll be happy to help.